Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. Do your own research for the investing according to the white paper. So is the official utility token for So AI, a project that uses artificial intelligence to create film and cinematic content, connecting creators, fans, and investors through a blockchain based digital economy. AI powered film studio. The token powers So AI, a studio that generates script, visuals, and sound for movies using machine learning. Multifaceted utility token. So is used to fund projects, grant voting rights, provides staking rewards, and offer exclusive behind the scenes across community driven governance. Token holders can guide the studio's creative direction and roadmap with plans to evolve into a decentralized autonomous organization DAO. So project audited by Cybercorp. So token total supply is 100 million and circulating supplies around 26.25 million. So token is listed on Toolbit, Bikenomi and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.